Welcome to another episode with Blue Lagoon Tours, straight out of Portland, Jamaica with Trey Day and the team. Just watch and enjoy and respect for your support.
Oh peeps, welcome back to another video. You don't know Sweets there Jamaica fee first. She Andrea. You don't know anything said. So right now, we are doing a local drive through with the community. We just have passed Blue Lagoon, but we're going to stop back in a few. So here we are. Stay tuned for your journey. I don't want to say nothing.
Hello.
She's like, say something.
Say something, Dre.
Hi.
That
I'm
is
loving
it.
it. I'm never going home.
Yeah, peeps, so we're up on the Winifred side. That is it. Sweets have the beach to herself. No disturbance. So Sweets, yeah, you have a lot of sea urchins at this side. So you normally have to enter from down that side or right in the middle right
That
there.
is so cool. Can you eat those? You're not taking pictures or videos, right?
Yeah, I am.
Oh, okay. Oh, watch your shoes. There's you. Not gonna have any.
Yeah. Lot of snake. Fishy. Yeah, that's cool.
This would be freezing to you.
Mm-hmm.
Oh,
This is sweet.
their full body massage.
Yeah.
What? This is sweet. I can lay down and bathe in this. This feels so nice.
Well,
He's
no,
like, I don't know.
who now come with you?
This is nice.
Full body massage. So we're at Kunta Kinte exploring.
Nice.
Welcome to Alcabalan.
Okay. Nice.
Yeah, nice place.
A lot of flowers.
Smoke your giant trees all around here. The body you can smoke your giant. And I have a tub here. And look around the beach and stuff.
Oh, wow.
Nice with salt and
Yeah. Oh, wow.
Yeah. It's just natural nature, you know?
Yeah.
Nature place. Yeah, man.
Amazing. Nice. So how much to live here?
Hmm?
Right?
You want to live
Nice.
Shoot, plants should be in this thing all day and all night. All day and all night.
This is the oil that I use. You can smell the coconut oil. Citronella.
Oh, okay. That's nice too.
It's all about nature, you know?
Yes.
It's all about nature.
You can put that on so the mosquitoes won't bite you.
Yeah, man, must have one by them. You want some in here?
Yes,
It's
please.
good for the skin. Yeah, man, let's rub it on the skin.
Oh, that's nice. Oh, my skin dry.
No problem, no problem. Rub it in there.
The chlorine.
Oh, that's nice.
But the ambience is nice.
I love it.
And
It
I
must-
like my incense also, you know?
Yes.
Whenever time people inside, they don't want to get off the table.
No,
You know?
that
No, I
smells
bet.
good.
That would be me.
That
It's
smells good.
citronella and coconut oil
Yes, and lavender.
Mhm.
and lavender.
Yeah, you can smell it loud.
Mhm.
Oh.
So you want some of your... Put the slippers down, man.
Well, I picked this up from out there, so.
Okay.
That is nice.
Oh my gosh.
So Sweets extra sweet now. And
No.
Dre extra sweet.
Double sweet.
Nice, double sweet.
Yeah.
That is
Oh gosh, I got
Go straight into the skin.
So is this what you use for a massage?
Yes, I use other oil too also. I have other passion seed oil, you know, that I buy online, but this is one that I make.
Mm-hmm.
Yeah.
Oh, this is nice.
Okay.
And I also do the avocado scrub also too, you know.
Oh.
I do the avocado scrub that I make, you know.
This is secluded, like off the beaten path.
Yes.
Mm.
Avocado.
There's honey in there?
No, it's coconut oil,
Mm-hmm.
the avocado, citronella, and lavender.
Mmm.
Yeah,
Wow.
It's good enough to eat.
yeah, honey inside. Yeah, I put them
There is
in. Yeah,
honey?
yeah.
Yeah, I can smell the honey. Like, oh, not right.
Yeah, all natural stuff is way better. Like you can feel it.
So, Kunta, all day you go there tomorrow?
Yeah, man, they're here tomorrow, man.
Okay.
Not really no fall, you know.
How much for a massage?
Well, how I go like for $80?
US?
Yeah.
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 Okay. Per person?
Yeah, yeah.
Oh, okay. Nice. Wow, I can just feel my
I know.
skin just sucking it up.
Mm-hmm.
That is so nice.
Good for the body, man. Are you guys having a good time in Jamaica?
Yes.
Oh, so far,
Yes.
Happy about that, you know?
Yes.
Oh, yeah.
Yeah.
Glad to know that you guys enjoying yourself.
Yeah.
That this is a little paradise, you know?
Mhm.
Yes.
We welcome everyone. Yeah,
Hummingbird.
yeah. A lot of hummingbirds come in.
Is that a hummingbird?
Yes,
No.
no, that's the
No.
Bessie.
That's
We call it the Bessie. A lot of hummingbirds come around, but sometimes they come like in the morning.
Yeah,
Like
yeah.
when I play my instrument, they come along, you know?
oh.
Now, what kind of instrument you play?
I have a gramophone, you know?
Oh.
I could just live right here. Like,
Me,
just
that's
put
what
me
I
in-
said.
Rain, put a tarp
And
over
this
me.
is citronella right here. Looks like
What Swiss, what that name?
This is citronella. This is a plant.
Seriously?
Yeah. Yeah.
Okay.
This is,
Oh, this is what I need for home.
so you can smell it.
Mm-hmm.
It's lemon.
That's what I need for home.
Oh.
I play it like in the morning, they give the sound. You see a lot of hummingbirds, you know?
Wow. They love that though.
Paradise, you know?
Yeah.
I should get one of those for all of the kids.
They'll drive you nuts.
They'd be my
So
driveway.
Oh yes.
a bamboo make this?
Yeah, bamboo, yeah, no problem, yeah.
Okay.
Look, I can make my own. That is
May I see this? Oh, okay. Nice.
Mm-hmm.
Oh, okay.
Up top, bro. Yeah, I know. So far.
Oh yes, this is very, very.
That's what I
My
said.
peeps, they on the Winifred, you know, and say, oh, are there, you know.
We outside and we nah go in.
You know. Bless up, you know, bro. So over here, so them do massage and them something there. But yo, it bad. Because you want to have some essential oils, but bro,
Yeah, man.
smells sweet. So, Kunta, so we have some more guests to, you know.
Man, know about this. Let me tell
You
you
don't
what.
tell me, yeah, but we
Yeah.
never know say alright, that's all.
Yeah.
Never know, boss.
That's basil.
Yeah.
Holy basil.
Yes, brother, over there, man.
Yeah, man.
Yeah, man. You want to live here?
Yeah, right in here.
You want to stay here with me?
Yeah, live here.
Well, look at, for you, you just live for free, you know? Enjoy nature.
Okay.
Don't tell us that because I already got a
And
spot.
this is the red water grass.
Yeah, we have that back home.
And if like a person of like fibroid,
Mm-hmm.
you move it away. You drink the tea, you
Yeah.
move it away.
Oh, okay.
You know, just the other day, some guy I talked about it up at the hardware.
Okay.
Good for hypertension as well,
Okay.
diabetes. Yeah.
Okay. That's funny because we have that plant at home.
Okay.
And this is a snake plant. You know the snake plant?
Yep.
Good for pain, you know. You just like cut off a leaf and you burn it up and tie it on.
Really?
Yeah, just move pain.
I think this as well. They said that whenever you have this in your home, it
Yeah.
attracts money.
Yeah, yeah.
Yeah.
Yeah, man. Good energy.
Yeah, yeah.
what do you call this one? Monastery.
Yeah.
Oh, that name's okay.
The red and the green and white one is very expensive.
It's expensive back
Yeah,
home.
yeah, man. I saw it online, you know.
Yeah. Look at all these plants we have to buy at home and keep in our house.
So
It's
if this are the sweet something in the
That's the
massage,
chinella.
so that's all.
This one, huh?
Yeah.
They call it Joseph in the basket, you know. That ain't gonna use
Joseph
that.
in the basket.
Yeah.
Cause it wouldn't come like them almost are the same.
I see like same species, you know.
Okay.
Can I take a picture in here?
No problem.
With you.
No problem.
Okay.
Photographer Drea. That is right, professional.
Oh. Sure. I'm gonna put my shoes down now.
Alright, peeps. Ready, steady, go. One more close up.
Amazing.
One more.
What?
He said he's coming closer.
Yeah. Yep.
Yeah.
Look at it.
I need to get this. Thank you. Oh, what could I gonna put?
All
my
right,
socks on?
all right, sir.
All right,
Yes.
Pinto, thank you.
All right,
We'll
all
see.
right.
We'll see you tomorrow.
Okay, my lady.
All right.
Have a good day, no? Yes,
Thank
brother.
you.
Thank
All
you.
right, yes,
Well, on, what was around that side?
A tub
tub?
on this one, and this is where you're allowed to go smoke. That's what he told me.
Oh.
You can do a detox, like you wash it out and do a detox, like, you know.
Okay. That is it.
Like it's a detox here, you know.
Okay, alright, so on this so you can just
Yeah, man,
chill
just
and smoke.
change the clothes and you can just chill and smoke, you know. Right, so like, you know, if you want to smoke.
But it's Cinco Bible.
Yeah, you think about it.
Okay.
That's how nice of a place, you know.
You know it thing go.
Energy feel, you know.
Yeah. That is it. And then you have the river over here, so because of the rain and thing.
If you rain fall,
Yeah.
you know, kind of safe, you know.
But the water cold. Right time out. Yeah, peeps. So Kunta, you don't know once you come out with a friend.
Alright, we got
Kunta wanna feel link up.
Yeah, man, you get the best massage, you know.
Yeah.
Keep that.
Alright now, all I plans the one who want to know about.
I'm like, oh,
Yeah.
Him have all of them, because
Yes.
over 30 plants in there, so.
Yeah, man.
Alright, so bless up, you know,
Alright,
bro.
respect my boy.
Yeah. So, Drea, sweets, how was that?
amazing. I want to stay there for real. So nice, peaceful.
Right now, I can tell you, you're walking and I can smell the scent of that thing.
You want in there with yours? I can't make it get wet.
Mine milk too. I don't care.
Crazy. She's like, I don't.
Three of them meet up on some pups.
No, she has pups at home. 4 of them.
But peeps, what caught my attention was this full white pup. Like normally, I would see like brown, black, or mix black and white, black and brown. But this one is full white. Puppy. Come on, there, take a tour. Right place. Sister meet now go on. That is it.
And has a pool.
Yeah.
I'm gonna show you now. Yeah, it's for sale.
All of them have AC.
And upstairs, like what? Huh? How many rooms
Oh.
are upstairs?
The kitchen.
5. It's 11 bedroom in all.
Oh, so you have a laundry area as well.
Yeah,
Oh, okay.
upstairs, downstairs.
Basically everything around smooth so far. Tomorrow we'll do some grocery shopping. We did all go Blue Lagoon, but we just have easy back for the rest of the evening. What else? Yeah. The time did overcast, so we never really have much plan. But we'll see what tomorrow bring. Yeah, peeps, morning. So I go pick up sweets. Andrea right now, we bring them up to Long Bay side to see the sunset. Well, the sunrise. Yeah. So now it's about 5:30, around that time. I think the sky cloud is still, you know. Let's see if we can see. They're on Blue Lagoon side, you know. You can see some red clouds. It's like rain at Joe. Oh,
Look at.
this is RCI.
Yes, I seen you
Yep.
video with that.
So you rub it on the wall,
And it gets hot.
yeah, and put it on your skin.
What's it called?
RCI or donkey eye.
Donkey eye.
Yeah.
What is it? Like a shell? Like where's it from?
It comes from a cocoon, but I don't see any right now.
Oh, from the trees.
Yeah. On a vine, basically.
Oh my god.
And this now, this is a cocoon also. This is what they use to make the necklace.
To make what?
Necklace.
Metless? What is that?
No.
Oh, necklace.
Yeah, necklace. Yeah.
This looks like a chestnut. It looks like the shape of a heart.
Mm-hmm.
Oh my gosh. Wow.
So you can imagine running from here, go straight down there. You must be fit every morning.
Yes, I could. Look at shoes and plastic and this hurts my heart. I can't believe this.
Oh.
This place is supposed to be like it's beautiful, but this oh wow.
Oh.
Plastic. It's plastic.
Yeah, it's plastic, yeah.
What?
Sweet said it's hot. So you normally rub this part.
Oh,
Yeah, this part, the black part.
this part?
Yeah.
Shit, it was still hot on the other side. You don't need a knife. That can do some real damage. Lord. Alright. I can't teach the kids this. They're gonna be burning each other all day. What?
Yeah, man. Hot bad.
Wow. Alright. Donkey's eye. If you're cold,
You just rub it on the wall.
rub and put it in your gloves. In the winter time, it keep you warm.
That's so like an advertisement to sell it.
We're always trying to think of a way. I should have gone to bed. Always try to think of a way to be useful with things.
Oh, true.
Don't disturb.
Andrea said hi. She's coming back to look for you later.
Okay, where did we park?
Yeah, right down there.
Yeah, that far?
Yeah, peeps. So that was our visit to Long Bay Beach to see the sunrise. And we walked the beach. We saw a couple things: crabs, cow, sea cucumber, dogs, a lot of things. Donkey eye. So yeah, that's sweet over there. So sweet. Oh, you enjoyed your morning?
Beautiful. It's so beautiful. The sunrise is really nice.
That is it. Right now the sun come out full blast.
Nice, yep.
And
Now it's getting hot.
she tried the donkey eye.
Oh, that's damage. That can cause damage.
Yeah, man. Whereas if your skin easily whale up.
Punishment. Give somebody punishment.
So yes, peeps, big up on yourself and stay tuned.
Keep
Alright, so peeps, we are going Blue Lagoon now. So we have to park up here, so there's no parking down by the Blue Lagoon. So the day is hot, and where we were just now, I was so comfortable about to drop asleep, and Sweet said,
Yep,
let's
fun.
get
That's right.
let's get going. So
Going.
here we are. Blue
They
Lagoon.
pass away.
Andrea is the hothead, you know. Sweet, you're drunk.
For my ankle before I
No,
break
I'm
it.
not drunk. Not yet.
So, oh yeah, steps so.
I step on the stone.
Oh. Sweet said not yet.
I'm still going from last night.
I have to take a clipping of this home.
No, you know what? We could probably.
I'm gonna put it in my makeup case, wrap it up in tin foil with some wet paper towel,
Jeez.
and I'm gonna take some Scotch bonnet pepper seeds home. And
And
then
I'm just gonna show him my status card and be like, we need to grow at home.
oh yes,
That water is cold.
good.
Anything is
Fruit
cold
to you.
Yeah, man.
To you.
That's the mineral spring.
That's good. Yeah. Don't bite us so bad.
Hello.
Hello.
How you doing?
Hello, good, good. Yo, Freddy. Welcome to the Blue Lagoon. So I am your captain / your tour guide, Trey.
Thank you, mister.
Oh jeez, can you imagine if I was?
I just want to see what you know I don't.
Good afternoon.
Good afternoon.
Okay, ladies. So here is the registration point.
Hello.
So this is where you sign your name.
Okay. Sign my life away.
Your first
Just my first name.
Yeah. Female bathroom that side.
Okay. Thank you.
All right. Okay. All right. So this is the craft section. So that's Mr. Ringo right there.
Hello, sir. Good.
So Ringo can tell you all that you need to know.
Yeah,
Hello.
man, welcome. Yeah, man, no problem. Got some nice Blue Lagoon souvenirs here, yeah?
I know.
Coconut bong. Grinders to grind it up and put it in the bong.
Oh, wow.
Pipe, bracelets.
Wow.
Have some waist beads here also too.
Oh, how much for the waist bead?
1500 Jamaican. $10 also waist bead.
$10 US?
Yeah, or 1500 J.
Okay.
Yeah, and you have the ankle bracelets in here and the wrist ones.
How much are these ones?
And these ones are for 1500 also. You have the big lions up here for 2000. Hematite stone. And the string and nylon fishing line, so you can swim, shower in them, no problem. Yeah?
Oh, okay.
Yeah, because I do everything in this. I sleep, swim, bathe, everything.
Which one do you like?
We're on our way back.
Yeah, we'll come back on Friday and get some. Tomorrow.
Oh yeah,
Today?
tomorrow Friday, no?
Is it?
Yeah.
No, it's Wednesday.
Today's Thursday. Thursday.
Nice. 2-piece Jamaican suits. And the minimal sizes.
We're gonna come back tomorrow. For mom? How much for this one?
This one is 25. 4,000 Jamaican for the set.
25 US.
Yeah, 4,000 J for the set. The earring.
Oh. 20 for the earrings and this?
2,500 for this and 1,500 for the.
Okay. Hmm.
Hi, see.
We'll be back tomorrow.
Oh, come on here. Yeah, man, not a problem. Enjoy the scenery, yeah?
Oh, so the beads, sweets.
Yes.
Here are the beads
Oh,
that we picked up this
that's what we
morning.
picked up this morning.
Yeah.
Oh, yeah. Nice.
Our side chestnut. This one called the red coffee bean.
So how did you drill the hole through here? What did you use?
Got all. This is what they call
A drill?
all.
Let me see. Oh, you got the owl.
Oh, okay.
Yeah.
Oh, yeah. Oh, the.
So you pierce it through with the owl.
Yeah. So we're gonna pick it up with wood. A piece of board on it.
What if you use electric drill?
That would be more easy.
Would it bust open though?
No, it won't burst it open.
We'd have to have a fine bit.
Fine bit.
Yeah.
Yeah.
Okay.
I think that will be more faster also too, yeah.
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 You got for all your stuff. You got this morning without me.
More advanced style than this one.
I have
What's
all
up?
kinds of tools at home,
So far, you?
They're really kind of big.
All right.
probably a wood bit. Cool.
You heard? You get whatever you get today, you lost. Sorry.
Right.
Because even these,
Yeah.
you can find these a lot. Even arts. There they are. So the tree is right here.
So that's why we say me call you.
That's a lucky one.
So you normally find them a lot on the
okay.
grounds, yeah.
So they're like seeds.
So
Man, see the trees right here.
Oh, okay. Wow, that's awesome.
oh, go on peanut.
Hello.
Another lucky one for me.
Nice.
Is it this one over here? Not nothing.
All right.
Yes, those. Tisha. So here,
Hello.
Mineral Spring, the Blue Lagoon side is out of the Mineral Spring.
What's the problem?
No problem.
What's wrong with my towel?
I said you brought your towel.
No man, you're not getting an infection
Did you let them eat your feet?
all the time. But it's been a couple months now I haven't been in Blue
Well, you
Lagoon
better get
water.
in and do it.
Who?
You?
Me?
Put your feet on and get done.
Jay, I can't manage the cold water right now.
That's freezing. You'd be froze if you got in there right now.
They said what? Just take one dip. One dip.
Yeah, it's supposed to be good for your heart, your mind, everything. They call it cold water plunge, not clean.
And the Blue Lagoon now we used to swim across the Blue Lagoon.
Okay, these are too dark, but I need them on so I can.
Look, there's a bunch right here.
Yeah.
This is my lucky one, though.
I was thinking that you were going to pick up the rest.
I was going to.
Oh, so that's the
there.
pads.
Oh, there's
There's
three
more.
right here.
Pick them up, Drake. Are these ones bad or good?
Good. So Kali used to, whenever she has homework
Yeah.
to like draw something, we normally outline it and use the beads
Really?
to fill it up.
I should have brought a little bag.
Yeah.
And you see we forgot the bag again. And we said it this morning.
Yeah.
She is finally at Blue Lagoon.
Yay!
Stone, oh, right here. So let me show you how it's done.
Look at. You want him? Or is he dead?
This?
Dad.
Dead as the day is born. Alright. 1, 2, 3. Oh, no. I waste that one. That's right.
That was the lucky one.
Dre, what you say? That's a lucky one?
Yeah, the one that I gave you. Because they gotta be like a certain, like, weight,
Like
right?
flat.
Yeah.
And weight as well, yeah.
Like if they're too light, they're not gonna go. They gotta be like, I don't know. Here's 2 more.
Alright, come in.
Look, there's 2 more. Look at this. That's pretty cool.
You wanna try again? Which one you want?
Watch out, she might hit you. He backs up too. You got it, Auntie. Come on.
No.
That was a bad rock.
I didn't give it to you.
No.
Why? I did it earlier.
2, 2, and 2. Oh, here's a good one.
Oh, here, here's a good one.
Oh, yeah,
This
that's
one
a
is-
good one.
So look at this now.
This one.
One, God, please bless this one, please, 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 please. About, I need over 10 skips.
What? How many?
You saw that? That's a lot.
That was like 6 or 7, huh?
That's a lot.
Ice cream. No.
Alright, sweets. This has Maras, but yeah, man, so far you don't know. Bless up, man.
It has what?
Maras.
Alright. Skip it. 10. I'll count with you.
10?
Okay.
1, 2, 3. Not even close.
That was 7. That was a good skip though.
Come on, we need 10.
So, what's your comment? It's not cold?
Oh,
No.
yeah, it's like warmer than it was earlier.
Okay. There you go.
Watch your step.
You going in?
No.
Jay said no so fast.
It's nice.
Yeah, it's
that.
not cold.
He said it's not cold. This is very, very cold for me. Very, very cold for me. Thank you.
He said very, very cold.
Thank you.
You're welcome.
Yeah, man,
What
that's
is
very,
this
very
for
cool.
to go?
Well,
The
to
steps
go
here.
around here and to go up there. That used to be a villa
Oh.
back in the days. So can you imagine waking up and just step right down?
Yep. I would over that way though. Yeah, it's nice, but this is cold.
It's tempting to take a dip, but whew. So this water is coming from the mountain. Bless up, bless up. Something there, you have yellow yam? Oh, check them go. Oh, the yellow yam. I don't know nothing about them something, you know, so. Like, you know, say a yellow yam this, but.
I don't have a knife, but it looks good. I don't need a lot though. I've had papaya in such a long. This is papaya, right?
Yeah.
I know Dre probably wants some pineapple.
What's this pineapple outside?
Yeah. Hi, sweetie. I need onion, some garlic. Scallion, is this scallion?
Mm-hmm. Anytime.
I just put this right here. $500. Okay. You want a pineapple? No? Okay. I just need an onion and some garlic then.
So here, but we just get us to put them inside.
Okay. And some pepper. And
Sweet pepper?
potato. Yeah, green one.
How many?
It's too small. Give me a big one.
Big one?
Right there beside your hand.
Yes?
And a couple of potatoes.
Yeah, a couple.
This one.
None of it can straighten.
That's how we can straighten. We need to get something
That's
straightened
cake.
up. We need to get something straightened up like that. Okay, we are going to do anything. Anything alcohol?
You say you don't drink alcohol? How comes? What make? The headlight. Oh, like that. Oh. But otherwise, they drink before. Oh. You say you want scallion to sweets?
No, that's fine.
Alright.
Is that, what is that lemon, what is that?
Orange.
Okay. $1,000?
Listen, if you're buying the bag, you have to put it size.
When you get back the one that I like.
Oh, they must out of season.
Oh, yeah, dude. It's a good thing we did get what you did.
Yeah, they're finished.
Do you have a small watermelon?
Yeah, you want one
Just
small
like
size
cut,
one?
can you cut it? Or no, you have to buy the whole thing?
So
Like
some
this?
put one.
Okay. Want that? Okay, we'll take one of those then.
$450.
450. So 1,450.
How much? 1,000 what?
1,450.
1,450.
We just taking cow tag there.
Alright, thanks. Yes, peeps, we're back on the road. Big truck.
Bye. Have a good day. Bye. How old is he? Oh, he's smart. Bye, baby. See you tomorrow. He's so cute. Oh God, if I could have another baby. How much for that one?
Wow, I like
That piece? How much for that piece?
How much a pound? 250. Oh, okay. So she go a half pound of tomato, 2 cucumber, and a pound of pumpkin.
You know change here, sir? Eh? Where is it? MP, get a man 1 pound with me, yeah?
Yeah, half pound.
I'm afraid of them. I told him, man, we should, you know.
What is the same one that?
Where is it?
Half pound. Yeah, 2 cucumber.
Where is it? Huh? Where is it? The cooker. What's the cooker?
Cucumber on the other side, yeah?
Just the one then. Just the one, yeah.
1 pound.
Give me a good, number 1.
And the pound of pumpkin.
Yeah, God. See you every day. You will take care of now. Throw him back in the phone, eh? Jesus Christ. Eh? MP, a quarter pound of great man to give them. No, man, give them. Give me more. MP,
Where?
You go to hell, man, and Satan will refuse you. Jesus, God.
never made that thought.
If Satan know why you don't hell.
Get him that.
Yes, Satan no want to
In a rock, you know.
Thank you, baby. Thank
Bye, baby girl. 2 pound of crab this lady.
So about the pound of pumpkin.
Eh? Were you there before her?
Hmm?
No, you weren't there before her.
No.
Deal it out first. First come first, sir. Eh? Wow. 1 pound? 1 pound? Hmm? 1 pound of pumpkin.
That's it, yeah, that's it. Bobby, deal with it.
Where you get?
Oh, alright, half pound of tomato.
Half pound of tomato?
Yeah. Pound of pumpkin. And the cucumber 1 pound.
Give me 5 bills, no?
500.
Thank you.
Alright, respect.
150.
Was she there before?
Yeah, sweet. She never did talk. So the man asked her if I get you, and I tell him the order. So she stand up dumb.
Somebody back here for the chicken?
Hmm?
Somebody back here so we can get some chicken?
Oh. Serve.
Give me a second.
Alright.
I eat that whole thing.
Boy, peeps, we do some shopping, you know, but me not used to them something here. You see me? Sweets are learn Jamaican currency. Whole chicken, 380 a pound, mixed parts, 395.
Jamaican grade chicken. Whole chicken is hard.
Alright. So, what are you getting?
So I need
Just
some
chicken?
coconut milk. Yeah, I'll get some chicken and beef.
You want?
Hell of a coconut milk?
Let's see the bar. Not the can, the bar. Seen it yesterday. Oh, just get the powder. That's fine.
Hold on. Which one of them? We have the one here, the one here. All of them coconut milk instinct.
Oh, I get this one.
Alright.
I know this brand. Oh, I want a big thing of sorrow. It needs some milk.
What, one of this?
Distilled. Distilled the other side. Is that distilled? No, it's purified. Distilled is on the other side.
Chicken. Alright.
Mixed part, mostly thigh and breast. And you have beef as well? Do you want beef? How much do you want? For 3 pounds. Yes, please.
Sweets, they still want a business there. I say alkaline. Jesus, peace.
This one. Oh, it's alkaline. Alright. It's this one then.
Alright, lifespan.
Yeah, that's the one I think we did yesterday. Yeah, that's good.
She soon forward here? Yeah, man. Alright. Yeah, man.
Oh, that's what I wanted to look for. Yesterday they didn't have no kidney beans. They still have no kidney beans.
Oh.
I have kidney bean at home, but it's dry, so I have to boil it tonight for tomorrow.
Oh my god. I don't even remember what the fuck happened. Oh shit, sorry. You walked right in the door. Download the app. Come on. Well, no, Western Union. If you're going by Mike's, go to Tops.
You can download the Western Union app.
Oh, Western Union.
You're the best.
Wait. Wait. Seriously?
Yes.
Yeah. Oh my gosh. Hey, baby. I have nothing. No more. Say it again. I don't know.
If he downloads the Western Union app, he can send it that way. Because Australia was his bank account connected to Western Union.
Oh yeah, if you go, you can go on Western Union, download the app on Western, the phone for Western Union.
Yeah, that's everything. You love watermelon?
Oh yes.
You go back on the road?
Yeah, cause I'm going to sort out the goats and get the stuff for class ready. Well, before we left, I turn it on. Let me switch it back on from the wall. Not sure if that's working, but let's see. Woo!
She got me big one.
Yeah.
Pineapple. Orange pineapple.
You never tried it?
No.
You're gonna love it.
This one's gotta go in the fridge too.
Okay. The water is good out. Yo.
You have to clean place I want to clean out.
Peeps, look on it here clear. In the pool. Yeah.
The organization is not paying any NIS for them. It's not paying any NHD. It's not paying any.
No, you are casting out. You are
I don't know how many
now.
of them.
Come on, you increase them now. I come in now and come to the bar again. I'm about 3 years now. You know, see, but I'm not saying you need to meet up. And you know, I'm not saying for about job thing.
And the reason for that was that the Ministry of Education did not pay over. For that year.